Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you linear layout in horizontal orientation. Here is my project. I have opened my XML file. You can see here is linear layout. We can use linear layout for the orientations. We can arrange our all the childrens in vertically or horizontally. First of all, I have taken an text view, give it to the image parent width and height to its wrap content, and close my and give it to background so it will visible to you. I have take text and give name to mob. You can see it take with mob and copy and pasted it. And now I have to give orientation vertical horizontal. You can see by default it will take horizontal, but here I have assigned horizontal orientation, and I've changed color that you can differentiate my children's text view in between. Now I will give some margins and padding so you can clearly understand what our layout is doing. See the space between. Now I give padding that give inner volume, copy and paste it. Now paste. Yeah, you can see my screen will cover, and now I will give padding, then these stripes will wider 12 dp. Generally we give text size in sp and padding margin in dp, density pixel. Now you can see it will volumize. Thanks for watching this. In my next video I will show you the vertical layouts, how we can arrange. Thanks for watching this.